What's up everyone, it's JW Star and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important for all you creators out there, organizing your business for maximum success. Whether you're just starting out or you're already a seasoned pro, having a solid foundation for your business can make all the difference. We're going to break it down into actionable steps, from content creation to monetization strategies, so you can start building a brand that's built to last. Now before we dive in, quick disclaimer, I might mention some specific tools and subscriptions that I use, but don't worry if you don't have all of them. This is all about finding what works best for you and your workflow. Think of this as your blueprint, your roadmap to navigate the exciting world of being a creator. So grab your notebooks, let's get organized and start building something awesome. Alright, let's kick things off with the heart of any creator business content. Think of your platforms as your digital storefronts. You want them to be inviting, engaging, and showcasing your best work. We'll focus on the big three: YouTube, TikTok, and your own blog. First up, YouTube. It's the king of long-form content, perfect for diving deep into topics and building a loyal audience. The key here is to find your niche, something you're passionate about and that sets you apart from the crowd. Once you've got your niche, consistency is key. Aim for a regular upload schedule, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Next we've got TikTok, the reigning champ of short-form viral content. TikTok is all about experimenting with trends, jumping on those hashtags, and finding creative ways to showcase your personality. Don't be afraid to try new things, have some fun with it, and see what resonates with your audience. Now let's talk about your blog. This is your home base, your central hub to link everything together. Use your blog to provide in-depth resources, share your journey, and offer even more value to your audience. You can even monetize your blog with affiliate links, which we'll talk more about later. Remember, content is all about providing value to your audience. Whether it's entertaining, educational, or inspirational, make sure your content is something that people will actually want to watch, read, and share. Once you've started building a solid content foundation, it's time to think about monetization. And no, I'm not just talking about ad revenue. We're talking about creating and selling your own products and services. One of the best ways to do this is by leveraging your expertise and creating digital products like ebooks and online courses. Start small, maybe with a beginner's guide on a topic you know well. You can then use your content to promote these products to your audience. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands and promote their products or services to your audience in exchange for a commission on any sales you generate. Platforms like ClickBank are great resources for finding affiliate products that align with your niche. And if you're feeling really ambitious and you've got some tech skills, you could even consider developing your own software or digital tools. This could be anything from a niche productivity app to a custom website template. The key here is to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By creating multiple revenue streams, you'll be building a more sustainable and scalable business for the long haul. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about websites. In the digital world, your website is your online real estate. It's a place where you have complete control over your brand and your message. If you're just starting out and you have multiple ideas, it's best to focus on building one niche site first. This will allow you to really hone in on a specific audience and build a strong brand identity. Platforms like Hostinger or GoDaddy make it incredibly easy to set up a website, even if you have zero coding experience. And for design, Canva is an absolute game changer. It's packed with templates and tools to help you create professional-looking visuals without any design skills. For example, let's say you're passionate about helping introverts navigate the world of dating. You could create a website called Mingles for Singles that specifically caters to this audience. You could offer dating advice, share personal stories, and even host online events. As your traffic grows, you can then monetize your site with ads, premium memberships, or even sell your own products and services. Remember, your website is an extension of your brand. Make sure it's well designed, easy to navigate, and provides real value to your audience. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial for any creator community engagement. This is all about building relationships with your audience, making them feel seen and heard, and turning them into loyal fans. One of the easiest ways to engage with your audience is by simply responding to comments and messages on your social media platforms. Take the time to acknowledge your followers, answer their questions, and show them that you're listening. Another great way to foster community is by starting an email newsletter. This allows you to stay in touch with your audience directly, share exclusive content, and promote your products and services. But community engagement goes beyond just responding to comments and sending emails. It's about creating a two-way dialogue, fostering a sense of belonging, and building genuine relationships with your audience. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. By engaging with your audience and building a strong community, you'll be creating a loyal following that will support you for years to come. Chapter 5. Finally, let's talk about tracking your progress. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind of creating content and managing your business, but it's important to take a step back and analyze what's working and what's not. You don't need fancy software or expensive analytics tools to get started. A simple spreadsheet can be your best friend. Track things like your website traffic, social media engagement, and product sales. This will give you valuable insights into your audience's behavior and help you make informed decisions about your business. It's also a good idea to regularly evaluate the tools and subscriptions you're using. Are there any that are overlapping or that you're not getting much value from? Don't be afraid to cancel subscriptions that aren't serving you. On the other hand, don't be afraid to invest in tools that can save you time and streamline your workflow. For example, Pictory is a game changer for repurposing content. You can easily turn your long-form videos into bite-sized clips for social media, which can save you a ton of time and effort. Remember, tracking your progress is not about obsessing over numbers. It's about understanding what's working, identifying areas for improvement, and making data-driven decisions to grow your business. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from building your platform to engaging with your community and tracking your success. Remember, building a successful creator business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But by focusing on these 5 key areas, content, products, websites, engagement, and tracking, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving business that you're passionate about. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. As always, I'd love to hear from you guys. Drop a comment down below and let me know how you're organizing your creator journey. What are your biggest challenges? What tools and strategies have worked best for you? Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.